a program aimed at getting more doctors into under-resourced communities. Experts say there is a growing shortage of doctors across the country, and the problem is even worse in Black and brown communities. Now, a Southern California healthcare provider is donating a lot of money to get more doctors into under-resourced communities. BNC correspondent Walter Morris is live in Los Angeles with where that money is going. Walter?
Well, LA Care Health Plan is donating $5 million to Charles Drew University here in South LA, and officials say that money will go towards medical students who want to work in underserved communities.
I want to have that first point of contact and be able to connect with the patients.
For Bryce Bentley, this is way more than schoolwork. It's his passion. Born and raised in South Central Los Angeles, the second-year medical student at the UCLA Charles Drew Medical Education Program has already accomplished a lot. During undergrad, working as the director of the UCLA Black Health Project while volunteering in youth programs promoting heart health, and currently working with an organization to provide health care to the homeless. And he says that's just the beginning.
Growing up, a lot of my members of my community and my family, as I got older, I witnessed them having different health issues. At a time, I was wondering, what is the best way to be able to have an impact on individuals that are in my community?
It's that mindset that helped Bentley land a scholarship from LA Care Health Plan, and thanks to a big donation, many more future doctors like him will get the training they need to tackle health problems in their communities.
To not just address physical aspects, but also what's going on in the background of their lives.
It's clear that the more alike doctors and patients are, the better the outcomes.
This week, LA Care Health Plan announcing a $5 million donation to Charles Drew University of Medicine and Science, a private historically Black graduate school in South LA. The money will help the school set up an independent medical degree program and recruit students who want to work in underserved areas. According to the Association of American Medical Colleges, the U.S. is facing a growing shortage of doctors, and by 2033, the country will need between 54 to nearly 140,000 physicians.
And that shortage only gets worse when you consider physicians that choose to work in under-resourced communities.
Right now, through a partnership with UCLA, Charles Drew University trains 28 doctors a year. And with the $5 million donation, CDU will be able to develop its own standalone medical school, training 60 more doctors every year, like Bentley, who will go where they're needed the most.
Dedicated from the start to serve in under-resourced communities.
But make sure that there's some programs out there that can address what's going on at home.
And that first class will start in 2023. Reporting live in Los Angeles, I'm Walter Morris for BNC.